So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about India part. So today you can see the share has given a very good move of 7%. So we'll try to find out the next possible levels on charts as well. So you can see the stock has given almost 63% returns in just 2 months. So people are regularly following me, they might be knowing that I already made a video 1 month back itself when it was around 2000 rupees. So later you can see how the movement of the stock was seen after the quarter results were also declared. So when I discussed about the fundamentals, I told you that the e-commerce business which is very well running and it is generating a very huge amount of profits as well, especially during these period of time, as well as in future as well, the company will definitely report the profits. So watch that video as well if you are new to this particular video. So if you see, the current market price itself is around 3770 rupees, almost 249 rupees upward move was seen in this stock. Okay, and even almost in 2 months itself it has given 63% returns. Even if you would have invested around 2k around 2000 level, then definitely you would be earning easily 40 to 42% return. Okay, so that is the importance of levels. And also, when you trust a particular company whose fundamentals are very great, which are reporting good financials, then definitely you can invest in that particular company. Not only IndiaMart, any company, if you trust, whose fundamentals are very great and which are having a good future, then definitely you need to invest, and you should not lose the opportunity, and you should not do any selling. Firstly, you need to add at each and every particular dip. Okay, when you see the financials, that is the quarter 1 results of IndiaMart, you can see the revenue has increased almost, you can see 3.94% increase was seen, and the revenue is almost 1.53 billion. And if you see, net income has increased almost 128.7%, and you can see diluted EPS has also increased 127.23. And you can see profit margin has increased almost 120%. So that is the most important thing, that the financials are very great. So that's why even the stock, even if we consider during the COVID crash, this particular stock has not shown any particular downfall. So almost on 2000 level, it has gone to almost 1800 rupees only. So why it has not fallen that much? Because it is potentially and fundamentally very strong. So this particular type of shares you need to have in your portfolio, especially for long term. So when we see the volume analysis of it, you can see on 24th August, almost 42.2% deliveries were seen. You can see traded quantity was huge, but you can see deliverable quantity is also present, and it is in moderate range. In weekly averages it was 45.6, and monthly average it is 39.6%, and 6 months average it is 49.9. So deliveries wise also decent deliveries are seen, and each and I feel personally that this particular stock has not got that much recognition, especially in share market, because many people do not discuss about this particular stock, even though it is fundamentally very strong, and in long term also it may give you very huge returns, because this particular stock is recently listed, all of us know that, and it has given a very great returns after the listing as well. So I personally feel that you need to focus on these type of stocks in which online business is involved, and also in future we know that online business is a big booming sector. So remember all these things and then only invest. So if you see the returns in 1 week itself, only 1 week you're getting 25.54% returns in just 1 month. So when we discussed 1 month back itself, you would have been getting 49.93% returns. In 3 months 44%, 6 months 38, and 1 year almost you're getting 219.35% returns, that too with safe investment. So you should not worry that the stock will hit upper circuit or lower circuit. So completely free movement will be seen, and you're getting 219.35% returns. So need to, if you want to add at this particular levels, also we'll try to see the levels, and people are holding also, they can watch the technicals. So now we'll discuss the technicals, which will be very interesting. So before that, let us see what the indicators are suggesting. So first, momentum is, we can say very huge momentum is seen. So stock, whenever it gives an upward move, we know that almost 5 to 7% will be easily seen. And if you see RSI is near 83, and if you see money flow index is also near 88. So 70 above generally is in overbought region. So we are back onto the 1-day chart. So you can see currently it's around 3,708. So we know that today a very huge movement was seen. It is almost was trying to go to 3,900 rupees level, but later it has faced the resistance near that particular region, and again it has closed near the 3,708 rupees. Okay, so we can say that immediate resistance is around 3,900 as well as 3,955. So these are the two main resistance for the company. So if you consider the supports, you can see the supports are near 3,750 as well. 3,700 and 3,650 are the two major supports, and we know that it's currently trading above its all moving averages, and also money flow index, as we have seen, it is in the overbought region because the buying that is seen in the particular company after the financials were reported is very good. So on 1 week chart, we can see the level. So this particular level where we have made a video. So people have watched the video, you can definitely mention in the comment section. So I have drawn that particular support around 2015, and I discussed that this particular support will be very crucial, and I discussed the next immediate target would be around 2,560. So you can see how well it has obeyed that, and after immediately breaking this support, the resistance, again it has given a movement of almost 3,708. So very we can say good returns were given by the company. So for me currently the resistance is around 3,900. So if it breaks that, then definitely again new highs will be seen in the company. So if you want to invest, you can try for 3,650 as well as 3,600 also. You can try to invest at that particular levels. So fix your mindset that once you invest in this company, aim for long term only. So definitely you will be getting very good amount of profits. Okay, so hope everything is clear to you. If you want the fundamentals, you can watch the previous video. If you want further more details, again I'll make a separate video so that everything will be clear. Okay, so this is all about IndiaMart. So if you like the video, definitely like and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, definitely watch all the videos where all excellent shares have been discussed. So until then, take care. Bye bye.